Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're enjoying today. It's beautiful out there. So I figured I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. So I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday and got this Diamond Dotz. Hopefully you can see it better. It's this dream catcher. And it's called Catch Your Dreams. It is, let's see, 47 by 72 centimeters or 18.5 by 28.3 inches. And that's the design size. And let's see, how many colors? It's got 36 colors, and the drill count is 17,634. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. My husband's did yard work today, and now he's taken our nephew on a couple errands because he's without a vehicle. So he's out doing that real quick, and I figured I'd go ahead and get this done while he was gone. So y'all got plans for tomorrow? So I'm still not sure what we have going on. Let's see. Oh, hang on just a minute. I'm gonna. No. Okay, I think my cat just jumped back in the house. And yep, he did. My pup's outside getting some sun. So, she should be okay. This shouldn't take long. I'll take it out of its wrapper. And this is a partial drill, so I'm going to roll it back so we can get it straightened out. Hopefully it'll straighten out. And this is a partial, so it won't take long to work up. I love my dream catchers. This is a really nice one. Put that off to the side and start you off from down here. And this has got, you're gonna have some special drills to it. And that right there. And so you've got your, get this out of the way before I make a mess. I need to clean my area out big time. You see, you got your schematics. Your colors up here on the top left, bottom right. You got your scallop edge so that it doesn't fray. You got your model number, serial number, Catch Your Dreams. You got your dimensions, design size on this. And Diamond Dotz has their own color code, but if you prefer, you can match these up to the DMC code and organize them that way if you keep them. Like I said, this has got, let me see again, sorry. $30 normal drills and then 6 special drills. So So 36 in total. I want to put that, see if I can straighten it out just a little bit more. I'm going to go through the colors real quick. That won't take long at all. But this should help straighten it out. I hope. Okay, it's helped it a little bit. I'll have to put it under something to flatten it out completely. I'll go ahead and go through the colors real quick. And so you got your regular toolkit. Oh, got a different stylus. I haven't used or seen this one before. It's not like your, oh, excuse me. Yeah, a different stylus. You got your normal pen. You just tried jumping onto something, didn't you, bud? Poor thing. Looked like he was going to jump and onto something, and he totally missed whatever it was he was going to do. This ought to be interesting to try. Pardon the cat. He's got to get in on the action. Don't you, sweetie? Okay, you got that. You've got your tray. You got your little squishy. You got a little straightener. Sorry, you got your straightener, your tray. You can say your squishy. And then another straightener. And then you got like a 5-placer. Then you got your pink wax. And your little caddy here. And here's another, oh, big yawn. You can't have this. And like an 8 or 9-placer. And then you got some baggies to store your drills in if you keep them. Can I have my hand, please? Give me my hand, please. Give me my hand. Thank you. You gotta get in and see what what's going on, don't you? You can't have that bag because I'm gonna need that bag. Okay, we'll go ahead and go through our colors real quick. This is here first. You got, I'll turn this so that way you can see the colors better. I like that pink. You got that color. That one. And I believe this might be your black. You got two of those. And you got your grays. Boy! And you've got that color. Got that. Got that gray. Ow! Get your claw. Oh, he's got his claw. Ow, bud! Dang! Thumped you on the head. Oh, that hurt. Dug your claw deep into my skin there, bud. You need to get down. Dig down. Get down. Come on. You're going to attack me again, aren't you? Come here. You hurt me. You hurt my finger, buddy. Here, play with that. Play with that. Whew. Okay. You continue here. I got your white, brown. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to edit that because I'm not really good at editing it. So that's just, it's live, it happens. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. Got that color. That color. Sorry, there you go. Small amount of that one. Oh, that hurts. Let me have to. That one. Boy, I swear. Be good. Then we've got that brown. Sweetie, I'm sorry, but I'm trying to do something here. Ow. Do this again. Got that color. That brown. This color. Got that color. Hold on, sweetie. You got that brown. Got purple. Lisa's one, and then now she's scratching at the door. So I got this color. And that one right there. And then we've got our special drills. Oh, you just, boy, you just got hit in the head. Now stop. Oh, this is real pretty. Got one of those. That's going to go right in the center. That sparkle. And then we've got this color. Pretty crystal. And then we got that color in the bigger size. It's all faceted. And then same color but another size. And the same color in a different size. Got 4 different sizes of that color. Then we got like a dark pink. It's all faceted. Or is it hot top? No, I think it's faceted. I can't really tell. I've got that color. And then again, a small version of the orange. And then just regular color right there. Alright, I'm gonna, that's all on in here. You got your instructions on like 3 or 4 different languages. And it tells you what to do, how to do it. You got that. And like I said, that's, I'd love to show, well, let's see. I'll get this back. Yeah, all the special drills. I'll get that up. Will go right here in the center. That big one will go right there, and then all the other ones will go in through here, then up and through here. Then we got a couple of the little right on down in there. And no, that's it. That's all I've got to show. So I've got to go let Isa in and tend to my finger. It's not. It still hurts. You got it in there deep. Thankfully, it's not bleeding. But did anybody see the Northern Lights last night? We didn't. For where we're at, you'd think we would have been able to see them, but didn't. I mean, we went out and we saw just like a light colored pink, but I found out today that if you look at it through your camera, you get somewhat of a better view. So they're supposed to be out again tonight, and I'm gonna hopefully look through my camera and then hopefully be able to see them tonight. Oh, but you guys all have a happy Mother's Day. Y'all take care, take it easy. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.